Once upon a time, in a bright green forest lived a sparrow couple. They made their home strong and comfortable. Soon, the mother sparrow laid 2 tiny white eggs.
Not far from the tree lived an elephant. He was proud of his strength in destroying plants and frightening smaller animals.
One day, he saw the tall tree and felt uneasy. How could something stand taller than him?
The mighty elephant struck the tree again and again. The tree shook, nests trembled. The birds begged him to stop. The sparrows cried, "Our eggs will fall!"
The nest crashed down, and the eggs broke. The sparrow's dreams were shattered.
Broken-hearted, the birds flew to the wise owl. They needed a plan to stop the elephant.
The owl listened carefully and introduced his friends, a mosquito, a frog, and a woodpecker. Next afternoon, the elephant rested under a tree, never guessing what was coming.
The mosquito sang a sweet song. The elephant smiled and closed his eyes in delight.
The woodpecker pecked both his eyes. The elephant cried out in pain and started running blindly. The frog croaked near a deep pit. Thinking it was the lake, the blind elephant stumbled forward.
The elephant fell into the pit with a crash. The forest was safe again.
And so the birds learned. Unity is strength. When we stand together, no force can harm us.